Don't tell me you're done already. Did you just finish? There we go. I'm recording this.
Thank you.
Oh shit.
What?
Look at that lady's shorts. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Here's Canada.
Why do they put them?
Because Canada has a lot of Native Americans.